Tom, there has been an understanding in information security that securing data is important, but it's ironic that AI is making the problem of securing data better and worse simultaneously, isn't it?
AI runs on two things, GPUs and data. And where enterprises have the biggest gap today is in their lack of visibility, lack of control, and lack of operational rigor around data. Every aspect of that is challenged today in the enterprise, and the need is doubling on a monthly basis. It's becoming so much more important than it ever was before. And I think that that's why we're seeing such an uptick in the interest and adoption of DSPM, because this is the way to lay the foundations for an operational data security program.
And you said DSPM, data security posture management. What did it mean and what is it meaning now in the world of AI?
So I think historically, when we spoke about operational data security programs, we thought mostly about DLP. Well, that prevention didn't really work.
There's a lot of concerns. I will agree.
I know where I stand.
Yes.
But in the age of cloud and in the age of SaaS, there's no question that the data is no longer within our four walls.
Yes.
Data is all over the place, and it's going to continue to be all over the place at even faster pace, because that's the way to monetize it.
One of the things I hear about specifically AI and its sort of gathering of data is it has consumed all the data it can get. It's literally looking for more that it can consume. Like, that's how fast this thing is moving.
That might be the problem for OpenAI. But when we look at enterprises that want to build proprietary models and proprietary products over their own data, they're far from that situation. So in order to enable that transformation, in order to help them leverage data to its full business potential, to its full business value, they have to lay the foundations, and they have to lay them quickly.
What is your advice to those that, want to build out an enterprise program utilizing AI?
So I think, like in every other program we've ever built in the industry, you got to start with an inventory.
Well-known trope for the asset management industry.
If you're relying on manual point-in-time surveys to understand what data is in your organization, you already lost the battle. Mm-hmm. You have to move to automated data inventory as a first step to being able to build the different facets of an operational data security, data management, data governance program. And that's going to be a core program for the enablement of AI, for overcoming regulatory pressure against AI, for convincing the different stakeholders within the enterprise that we can be at the forefront of this technology, that we can leverage its full potential to unlock business value and do it safely, do it responsibly to our customers and to our enterprise.
That is exactly what I know Cyera is offering. So if you'd like to essentially get some control, know what data you have, categorize the data so then you can use it responsibly and get some real benefit out of it and be competitive, you should check out what Cyera is doing. Go to their website right there, cyera.io.